right, we are mega mondoing again. That was a nice little wheelie by Mr. Sean there. Yeah, he did. He got a little spicy. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What was that all about? Nobody warned us, Dan. Nobody warned us, Dan. So what you're saying is you left booby traps for us. Okay. All right, we see how you roll. Yeah, we see how you are. Thanks, friend. Yeah. Thanks, friend. Buddy, old pal, old friend of mine. No, that's just because Greg wants to come back up there and be right in the back pocket of his dad. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Considering I'm right on your ass. Woo, that was good. Greg, that was a good one. Oh no, this could be bad. Dan, this could be bad. Oh, that was a money shot. I got it.
It's one of our last bits of high ground. So we're looking southwest there. We're going northwest towards Lerma, but that's like directly towards Madrid. And you can see how we're out of the hills now. This is the edge of the Sierra de las Demandas, and then it goes back to normal Spain, if there is such a thing. But I love it up here. The pine trees, the heather. I hope you enjoy it too.
Oh. They were right behind us. No, they're right there. They're right behind the pine trees. Someone went down. Gotta go back. What happened?
Just a bunch of wire in the sprocket. This was an accident.
Oh. What a mess that is. Chad's writing his monologue.
Right, Sean, boy, job for you. Right, down, Greg. See if we can.
Is it off the ground enough?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, nice.
Hang on, we've got drift. Lift we have. Okay. So I'm waiting.
What's up with this?
Where's the no, you're
Right, excellent.
I'm a little side stand. Ah, that's really improved. Okay, better.
Oh, that'd be. Okay, there you go.
Okay, all right, get off the ground, Sean. Thanks. Sorry, chain off.
Oh, this brake, your pad's falling out.
Oh God, no.
It's mega mondo.
A theory, we just snip off the loose ends and put it straight back in. Don't bother trying to clear it away. We'll be here for hours.
Yeah.
Oh, that is.
He's down there getting a mid. Okay. Thanks, chap. Oh God! Who prayed then?
Well, that's one.
Yeah, but it's not tight enough.
I saw the wolf.
Some of this cuts won't be used.
There's not many people who have chefed Austin's lube or lubed Austin's shaft, but I will be the one.
Last time I did this on one of these bikes.
I lube it up.
Oh, you guys are asses.
Yeah, so obviously you're going to be wary of these two getting knocked off. I'll keep this one.
Hold on.
Man, somebody really needs to lube these chains to take better care of them.
Hey, watch out. Okay, wait. Fuck it. I'm gonna touch more. Walk in. Jam it in there. Put it in hard. Come on. Do it. Take it off. Oh, yes. God damn it, Greg.
Okay. There we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah.
Keep going.
Don't stop now. Don't stop.
Don't stop! Please don't stop! No, stop! No, don't stop!
Spacer.
You guys were real juvenile delinquents.
Oh, no. Get it.
Winners.
Shall we carry on?
Shall we carry on? Oh my God! And I caught the tail end of that. Oh my God! Got it. Dude, you almost ran his crotch over.
That was close to a, yeah.
Most accidents happen 10 miles from the hotel. Oh, shit. My boots were just drying up. Cheers, got it.
I just barely caught that too. I'm assuming that this is not much of the trail. We love bushwhacking.
It's going to be faster if we do a few trails to cut out some roads, go all the way around big mountains or big hills, and we can trail over the top. So it'll be fun and fast.
Didn't we just come this way? Oh shit. Dan, you were tipping. I thought you were going down. Oh my God. No, I thought Chad was going. I'm fine. I thought I killed him. Are you okay? Oh my God. Are you okay?
I couldn't go forward. The car was. I couldn't tell if he was going to stop or.
Oh, I thought you were going, and I was looking at him to see, and next thing I know, you didn't go, and.
I saw you behind me. I was like, ah, shit.
Oh, fuck. All right, go ahead. You're good. Oh my God. I ran right into Chad. He didn't go in that car, and I thought he was going, and I was looking for the car, and I was going to go, and I looked up and.
You okay?
Yeah, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. I haven't put any weight on it. I'm all right. I'll be all right. Oh my God! All you guys went. I thought Chad was going, and then I would look for the car, and he didn't go. And I luckily enough swerved over and went right into the ravine across the road. Yeah, but I clipped it on his foot peg and his whole bike. I'm surprised I didn't kill him. I'm all right. Let's just go. Yeah, I got you. We're good. I'm okay. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'm more of a drama queen than I am anything else. You guys know that.
Drama queen, am I right?
Oh, I really thought I fucking killed Chad. I hit him. What it is I scraped him because I jerked it for the last second. Then I went right on over into the ditch line. If that car would have just kept on running like it was, I probably would have been dead. Well, Chad did stop, and I thought he was just following you guys, and then next thing I know, I look up and I was headed right to his back end, and all I did is swerve it to the left, and I went right on over into the ravine. No, I just think I twisted it a little bit. At first I thought I broke it. It's all right. Shit happens. Oh, suck it up, Buttercup. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay. Oh.
You hit my bag. I think that was it. I just didn't want to chance it for us to go out in that road.
Oh my God, Chad! I thought I was going to kill both of us or you. Go ahead, guys. And this, ladies and gentlemen, ends our Mega Mondo.
Hey, other Richard.
Okay, in order of importance, your names are on the bottom. What I want you to do when you get your Mega Mondo mug is not to bring it to supper and drink out of it, because experience shows it just gets left in the dining room by mistake.
I'm not leaving that.
Put this in your luggage, wrapped up in a towel,
In my boot.
and then it's safe. Okay. So Chad, well done.
Cheers.
Okay.
Woo!
Cord. No. The order now is random. Well done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sean Schwartz. Well done. Completing your Mega Mondo.
Love it.
You see, you get the hat for turning up, but you only get the mug if you're here on Friday.
Nice.
Dan Krager. Well done.
Thank you.
Well
Give
done.
us a hug.
Oh.
Obviously, Richard Jazz is Kenneth Rush never came. Sorry, amigo.
Sorry.
Maybe next time. Oh, great. Great. Greg Tom Brown.
Yay.
Well done. Great, Richard. Good to see you. Tom Luke.
Right, it's just for the month.
Yeah. I was going to present yours in the bedroom.
Senor.
Okay. Put them on.
There we go.
And then Richard Flowers. There we go.
Woohoo!
Richard.
Very, very. Jeff Bezos can't get his hands on one of these. So please cherish it.
I do.
If you break it, I can replace it, but you'll have to buy the next one.
Right on.
Okay. Well done.
Do we do it?
Well done.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.